Terminator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got the new Buldak Habanero Lime from Samyang. This is made in South Korea for the US market. Packaged for the US market. Yes. So now we're going to take the bowl and not use the sauce currently. Put the bowl or the noodle block in here. And here's all the little bits and pieces. And excuse me. Did I mention I'm sick? Where's the other one? There it is. Behold the side panels. So we've got 160 mils of water, 5 minutes at 1,000 watts. Okay. I got this. I can do that. 160 mils. That's not a whole heck of a lot. That's just over. They're saying it's like 2/3 of a cup. I'm not so sure. 100. Yeah, right about there. All right. Got all the stuff in here. Pouring this in here. Getting our trusty safety plate. Coming over here. Double checking if it's really 5 minutes. That seems like a long time, doesn't it? I've had stuff that does keep losing the freaking. Yeah. 5 minutes at 1,000 watts. Okay. So we're gonna go beep. And power level. There we go. And so here we are yet again. So what else is going on? I got a 5K that I'm doing next weekend. That's really not much. I walked 13 miles yesterday, I think. I do a lot of walking. I play Pikmin Bloom, which is like, yeah, I know, but it's something to do. And I don't like to cut limes, but that's what I'm gonna do right now. Where's my lime? Then I don't have to do it again. This is a lime. And it's something to do, is to cut a lime. Without the sticker on it. There we go. And let's use that knife. I'll do it right on the rotato. I don't care. Just don't care. Oh, is it rotating right now? No. Yeah, I'm not good at cutting things. I will say that right off the bat. And except for myself. I used a mandolin slicer the other day and really got myself really, really good. Yeah, I know. Like, what the crap is he doing? It's like, there we go. I just want one freaking nice slice of lime, and the rest of it can go wherever it wants to go. It's for ornamentation. Who eats limes anyways, right? But yeah, I like to spend a lot of time out of the house, walking around, doing the thing, you know, moving, doing it, you know. Fucking God, come on. Oh, now it's a cursing episode. I apologize. I'm sick, and I'm doing things really the wrong way. I'm like daring myself to slice my finger. There. Now that's like lime. Alright. God, I remember one time I was really sick and I did a mukbang of this Japanese variety that I was just like, Japanese? That's not gonna be spicy, come on. And it was called 18 Prohibited. And let me tell you, I wish they still had that stuff available. They don't anymore, but it was hot. It was like all ghost. Was it all ghost pepper? I think it was. And it 700 mils of water and a big sachet of curry stuff with the ghost pepper seasoning. And you think that much liquid, that's not going to be like real spicy. That's going to dilute the heck out of it. Oh, no. In fact, I've never seen on YouTube somebody actually eat the whole thing. So this is going to be a Buldak variety, and it won't be anywhere near as spicy as like 2X, 1X, or anything like that. But it should be good. That's my plan, is to make it good. Something enjoyable and tasty. So that's my goal. And the sun is creeping across the little shelf over there. The breeze is blowing. I can see it in the tree outside, which is a very wonderful thing. That means fall is coming, and I like that. Getting close. 22nd. And this is the 19th. 3 days and it'll be autumn. The autumnal equinox. It's getting darker earlier so quick. I don't know where it went. People are complaining. I'm loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-bo. Alright, it's done. No, that's me. There we are. You look down at that. You look down at that. This is kind of weird working with two cameras. I've got a monitor for that one because that one's for the show, but not for the other one, because that one is not for the show. And I hate to break it to you, but you're not going to get to see me sample this one right now. Well, I could. I mean, I've had the pack version. Your Majesty. Give this a little smear. See, this one, when you make it, the pack version, it has a lot of liquid with it. This bowl version does not. This is like very dry, not saucy, not soupy, which is unfortunate because I really prefer it that way. This one might be spicier. We'll see. People have been fighting over how you correctly prepare Buldak varieties for a long time, and they pick me to fight with, which is kind of funny. I talk to the company that makes these pretty regularly, not as much as I used to, but I've done interviews with them, asked them, so what is the exact perfect way to make this stuff? Because it mentions like saving spoons of liquid and this and that. I had a guy say a Korean spoon is not the same as a tablespoon. That's what the company told me. All right, cheers. It's spicy. My face falling off? Nah. Thinking about it though. Alright, so there's that. What am I putting in here? I'm putting in chicken. The last time I did this one, I used shrimp because lime habanero. There's my chicken. I lost my chicken for a moment there. I don't want to lose my chicken. So that is chicken sautéed with a little bit of cooking spray. Oh, come on, stupid lime. I don't know why this lime wants to... It's getting everywhere. There you go. So we got a lime. Lime, chicken. I could do cilantro, but I'm going to use spring onion. I got a lot of spring onion left. Somewhere. Hello? There we are. Spring onion, scallion, and green onion. It's all the same thing. No fuss, no muss. Alright. A little bit of that. That looks good. That'll be a fun thing to devour. And yeah. So there. Whoa, bejesus, right down. Okay, here we go. Some crispy onions. There we are. Well, thank you everybody for watching. Yeah, this is the first time I've done anything on Twitch. Well, not the actual first, I guess, but the first time I've done this much on Twitch. Anyways. Oh, and it didn't even zoom out right. Freaking thing, I tell ya. Here, zoom out. Oh, it was, yeah, never mind. Yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day, and I'll catch you later. Have a good one. There'll be a book bomb. Bye.